Ever wondered why some engines run like a dream for hundreds of thousands of miles while others break down way too soon? The difference isn't luck. It's the right maintenance. If you think just changing your oil is enough, think again. There are hidden factors that decide whether your engine will thrive or struggle. In this video, I am going to uncover 8 secrets that will make your engine run smoother, longer, and better than ever before without spending a fortune. Stick around because I will also share a bonus tip that alone can make your engine run smoother, last for many years. Let's get started. Number 1. Use high-quality fuel and additives. Not all fuel is created equal. The type of fuel you use directly affects your engine performance. Using low-quality gas might save you a few bucks today, but it could cost you thousands in engine repairs down the road. Cheap fuel often contains fewer detergents and more contaminants, which lead to carbon buildup inside your engine, clogged fuel injectors, and sluggish performance. Over time, this buildup reduces power, lowers fuel efficiency, and can even trigger your check engine light. Want fix? Always use high-quality, top-tier fuel that contains the right amount of detergents to keep your engine clean. And for even better results, use a high-quality fuel additive every few thousand miles to clean injectors, dissolve carbon buildup, and keep your fuel system running at peak efficiency. Regular use of high-quality fuel and additives can help maintain smooth acceleration, increase mileage, and extend engine life. Number 2. Ensure cooling system maintenance. Overheating is one of the fastest ways to destroy your engine. And guess what? Most of the time, it happens because people ignore their cooling system. Your engine operates at extreme temperatures, and without proper cooling, metal parts will expand, warp, and eventually lead to total engine failure. The worst part is, cooling system issues often start small, like low coolant levels or a minor leak, but they can quickly turn into an expensive nightmare if left unchecked. Here's how to avoid this disaster. Flush and replace your coolant every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. Check for leaks, inspect radiator hoses for cracks, and never ignore a rising temperature gauge. And don't forget your thermostat and water pump. If these components fail, your cooling system won't circulate properly, which may lead to rapid overheating. A well-maintained cooling system keeps your engine running at the perfect temperature, preventing costly breakdowns and keeping you on the road for years to come. Bonus tip: always check your owner's manual for the correct coolant type and never mix different formulas. If you're unsure what's in your system, do a complete flush before adding fresh coolant. Number 3. Use high-quality engine oil and change it on time. Dirty or old oil is your engine's worst nightmare. Think of engine oil like your car's bloodstream. If it gets clogged, the whole system fails. Using high-quality oil ensures better lubrication, resists breakdown at high temperatures, and keeps internal parts cleaner. Cheap or old oil can cause sludge buildup, overheating, and premature engine wear, leading to costly repairs. Always follow your manufacturer's recommended oil grade and change intervals typically every 5,000 to 7,500 miles for synthetic oil. Regular oil changes improve fuel efficiency, engine longevity, and overall performance. Also, replace the oil filter with every oil change to prevent contaminants from circulating. Number 4. Replace your air filter. Your engine needs a steady flow of clean air to burn fuel efficiently. A clean air filter ensures that your engine receives the proper amount of oxygen for combustion. But when the air filter gets clogged with dirt and debris, it chokes your engine and leads to poor acceleration and reduced fuel economy. Check your air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles and replace it when it looks dirty. If you drive in dusty areas, you may need to change it even sooner. The good news is, replacing your car's air filter is one of the easiest and most effective maintenance tasks to improve engine performance. To clean or replace your car's air filter, first locate the air filter housing in the engine bay and open it by unclipping or unscrewing the cover. Remove the old filter and check for dirt. If it's just dusty, use compressed air or tap it lightly to clean it. But if it's clogged or dark, replace it with a new one. Install the new or cleaned filter in the correct orientation and reattach the cover securely. Number 5. Clean or replace MAF sensor. Ever feel like your car is sluggish, using more gas than usual, or even stalling for no reason? Your mass airflow sensor might be dirty. This little sensor plays a huge role in your engine's performance by measuring how much air enters the engine and adjusting the fuel mixture accordingly. But over time, it gets covered in dirt, dust, and oil residue, throwing off your engine's calculations. The result? Poor acceleration, rough idling, and even a check engine light. Here's the fix. Don't replace it right away, clean it first. A simple spray of MAF sensor cleaner can restore its accuracy and bring back lost power. Just remove the sensor, give it a few sprays, let it dry, and reinstall it. But if your MAF sensor is completely dead, then you should replace it instantly. Cleaning or replacing your MAF is one of the most effective maintenance tasks to improve engine performance. Clean it every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, especially if you use an oiled air filter, to keep your engine running at its absolute best. Number 6. Perform professional fuel injector cleaning. The fuel injector is one of the most important parts of engine. Think a simple bottle of fuel injector cleaner is enough? Not always. If your car has high mileage or you've been using low-quality gas, chances are your fuel injectors are partially clogged and robbing your engine of power, fuel efficiency, and smooth acceleration. Dirty injectors don't spray fuel properly, leading to rough idling, sluggish throttle response, and even misfires. And trust me, no amount of fuel additive will fully fix injectors once they're badly clogged. Here's the real solution: a professional fuel injector cleaning. Unlike DIY fuel additives, this service removes carbon buildup using high-pressure cleaning equipment, restoring your injectors to peak performance. Most experts recommend this service every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, especially if you notice hesitation or rough idling. Number 7. Let your engine warm up, but not too much. If you start your car and immediately floor it, you're asking for engine trouble, especially on cold mornings. Your engine needs time to warm up, because when your car sits overnight, all the oil drains down into the oil pan. When you start the engine, it takes a few moments for the oil pump to circulate it back up to critical components, and your engine parts also need time to expand properly. But idling for too long isn't good either. Modern engines don't need more than 30 to 60 seconds before you start driving. Anything longer just wastes gas and causes unnecessary carbon buildup. The best practice is: start your car, let it settle for about a minute, then drive gently until the engine warms up. This keeps your engine running efficiently while protecting its internal components. Number 8. Maintain your spark plugs and ignition system. Your engine's performance starts with a spark. The spark plug generates spark to ignite the air-fuel mixture inside the combustion chamber, creating the explosion that powers your engine. Worn-out spark plugs cause misfires, rough idling, and poor acceleration. That's why you should check and replace them according to your manufacturer's recommendations, usually every 30,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on the type. Replacing your spark plugs ensures efficient combustion, smoother acceleration, and better fuel economy. That's all for this video. Follow these game-changing tips, and your engine will run like new again, last longer, and save you thousands in repairs. If you found this video helpful, Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more expert car maintenance secrets. See you in the next one.